Hello, friends. Welcome to my math lesson today. Today, we are going to practice making subtraction number sentences. But first, we're going to practice counting to 20 with this. This is called a reckoneck. And we are going to practice counting to 20 today. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Okay. So now let's try our application problem. So do you remember when we had the picnic blanket and we had ants on our picnic blanket? Well, you can use a piece of paper for this and 9 objects to be your ants. And I want you to move some off of the picnic blanket. There were 9 ants. Some of them left, or they were too full, so they went home. So you can just move some off the picnic blanket. So I moved some. Now, how many do I have left on the picnic blanket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And how many left the picnic blanket? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you make a number bond about how many are off the picnic blanket and how many are on the picnic blanket? How many ants are all together? Do you remember? 9. So let's make our number bond. We have 9 ants are all together. How many are on the picnic blanket? 5. And how many are off the picnic blanket? 4. So we can say that 9 is 5 and 4. Very good. If we want to make this a number sentence that tells us subtraction, we had 9 ants. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have a special sign that tells us that they left. This is called minus. 9 minus 4 equals how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So there is your number bond, and there is the number sentence for our problem. All right, very good. Okay, so now you're going to need at least 10, you need 10 things. Let's see. All right, here I have my 10 counters here. Okay, so I'm going to tell a story and we are going to make a number sentence. So we have minus equals. So we're going to pretend that these are bears. There were 10 bears. One got hungry and wanted to go to the honey tree. How many are left? So if you take 10 minus 1, how many do you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what do we need to put here? The first number tells us the whole, how many bears we have all together. So we're going to put 10. How many left to go to the honey tree? 1. How many are still in the cave? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our number sentence is 10 minus 1 equals 9. Very good. Let's try another story. There were 10 bears sleeping in the cave. 3 bears got hungry and wanted to see the honey tree. So we need to take 3 bears, and they are going away. How many are left? So let's make our problem. How many bears do we have? 10. How many go to the honey tree? 1, 2, 3. So this is minus. That is another way to say take away 3. And then after the equal sign, we need to put how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our number sentence is 10 minus 3 equals 7. Very good. Okay. Now we're going to pretend that these are cars. You have 10 cars. 9 cars drive away. How many are left? So we need to take 9 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many is left? 1. So let's try it. 10, take away 9 equals 1. And you can do this with more stories about cars. But we have one more that we're going to do. All right, and we can, let's see, we can keep them as cars. All right, so, oops, well, since that one dropped, we will have 9. Okay, so there were 9 cars. All right, let's see. I think I'm gonna roll my die here to see how many to take away. And you could do this at home. It's a fun way to make these sentences. Let's see. Oops. All right. Well, it's going on the same number. That's okay. All right. So what number is this? 2. So we have 9 cars. 2 drive away. So we need to put the 2 in the next space. How many are left? What does this equal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 take away 2 equals 7. Okay. So I am going to give you a story. And I have 2 stories, and they are going to be your practice sets. So they are a way for you to practice what we just learned about at home with what you have for your counters. The first story is there were 10 people on a bus. 5 people got off the bus. How many people are now on the bus? And the next story is there were 9 planes in the sky. 3 planes land. How many planes are left in the sky? So you work on those 2 problems at home and make sure you write the number sentence for the problems. All right, boys and girls. Well, I hope you enjoyed my math lesson today. I will see you next time.